recording. So let's see. It's gonna be interesting, especially with both of these possibly happening at open. Yeah, Amir, I just turned on the recording. It's gonna be extremely interesting to have multiple things have it open. We haven't had that in a little bit, but you gotta focus on one or two. Okay, it looks like BYD is the one holding up here. Oh, pullback. Alright, we got a pullback. NQ's pushing. Alright, looks like I'm switching back to NVIDIA. Yeah, definitely. I'm switching back to NVIDIA. Been playing it all week, so I might as well.
Order partially filled. Order partially filled.
708. Boom.
Order
709
cancelled.
coming up here. Already a pullback. I didn't even get fully filled on that. Not sure why. That's a big rejection here. If we fall below open, I'll probably get out here, which is 701.66. Oh, we're back up here. If we end up pushing here to a new high, it's going to be nice. I'm green on this trade here. We're at 707. Where's BYD? Oh, BYD's coming back here if anybody's interested. Wow. BYD on an absolute tear right now. BYD's about to break 150.
Order partially
I'm
filled.
still in. Oh, new high.
Order
Here
filled.
we go. That was big. The video was very nice there. I was looking for 710, but we're still at 709. I'll probably get out right here. I'm up nicely. Oh, we just broke on BYD, so BYD was clean as well. I'm about to get out of NVIDIA soon. I'm waiting for the 710 break here. Let me see what we do here, and then I'll probably get out soon. It's worth the risk for me from all the profits that I made on NVIDIA this past week, so I'll take the risk and see if NVIDIA ends up breaking. We're getting stuck here at 709 though, which is kind of interesting. If this falls below 705, I'll probably get out. But right now, we're just consolidating at open. Yeah, NQ's very choppy. We're actually pushing lower here. So we'll see if NVIDIA holds up. Usually holds up at open like this, so. Mason, congrats, bro. That's beautiful.
I didn't want to say anything while you were on the mic.
Sorry, I can't hear you. 1 second, let me higher the volume. What'd you say?
I didn't want to say anything while you're on the mic. I'm just letting
Yeah,
you
it
do
was
it.
fire. You caught the red to green?
Yeah, the very
That was
beginning.
nasty. Yeah, red to green was easy. It was just I was stuck on BYD. Did you end up catching BYD since you got out of NVIDIA so quickly?
Nah, I was a couple cents off of me pulling the trigger, but it was a
Yeah.
$1.20 skip when it broke.
I'm looking at the break here. It went from 150, 150, 170, which is pretty good. Yeah, NVIDIA and BYD paid today, guys. So sick.
NVIDIA still looks good here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm still in. I'm going to get out below 705 here. But that's my risk personally because of all the profits I gained on this past week. Kunal said done for the day. Good shit. This is like my entry price, 705. $705, 706. We'll see if they want to hold this up for the day or are they calling it a week. We're back at 708, so we'll see. If we take out 710 here, I think we easily see 712. That's me personally. What you think, Mason?
If we, I'd say minimum 711. Yeah, best case scenario 712.
There we go.
Order partially filled.
There we go. We already broke 710.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We're at 711.42.
Oh my god.
711.43. I'm getting out here in a second. I don't know why my contracts aren't loading. What's the contracts at? Does anybody know? 1540?
1530.
Oh, there we go. It updated. Fucking finally. There we go. I'm up 6,000, 7,000. At a light position. I hate when it does this where it just takes a second to load. It just flipped. You'll see it on the video how these contracts took a second to load. Let's see if we take a new high here and then I'll limit fill. If we don't, I'll probably have a stop loss of 708, which I'll still be green at. There we go. Back at 711, new high I see. Beautiful. Boom, 712.
Order filled.
Beautiful. What'd I tell you guys? 712, easy. 11K on that one. Easy, 712 target. All on recording here for you guys. BYD, I'm sorry that I couldn't signal it. I would have loved to because it's a small account type of stock, so that's my fault. But I also can't focus on two stocks, so I let you guys know before the market open. It's very hard for me to focus on two stocks. It might be easier for someone else, like Mason. It might be different for Mason. So for me, I just can't focus on two stocks at the same time, especially getting in with a large position. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that show where we had just had on NVIDIA. And then BYD was like a $2.50 move. That was fair. You guys like that NVIDIA trade? Let me go on this. You guys are on live recording here, so let's see. Oh yeah, everybody's going crazy. I wasn't looking at the stocks chat, my fault. Gee, I like that. Cool. All right. So also, if you did get out with Mason, right, you could have easily got back in for the 710 break because I added to my position at 709.99. So it was very possible for you to get in at the 710 break. I also said it. Looks like we're pulling back right at 712. We're back at 709. So it looks like I had a good sell there.
Pulled back right after you got out too. That was a good sell.
Yeah, it was decent. Cool. And then BYD is the type to squeeze all day, so I'm not surprised if we see this 155 break. Yo, Jackson, why you say Frankie's like that? Let me see. Oh, Frankie. Frankie, did you hold it? Did you hold the whole time?
No, I was close to getting in on the red to green, but I told myself to just wait just because it's Monday, and so I got in at the 705.90 break. And
Yo,
then just held to like
so
maybe
much?
708. I held to like 708 on that push.
Oh, that's
so,
not bad though.
Yeah, that was with 4 contracts.
Oh my
So.
god.
Then the video trade was insane.
Look at the pullback though. Look at this. This is better than the trade. Better than the entry. Fuck the entry. Look at the exit plan on that 712. Made 388 on a 2-point. You probably got out early too, Jack. Look at this, back at 705. Imagine we held. Imagine someone was looking for that 713. All right.
Nour, what was your best sell fill?
So I limit filled with 1%. I got 1560 on a sell. I'm sure if I waited a split second, I would have got like close to 16. But as soon as I saw that new high, I don't know if it's me, but Interactive takes a second to load now on the unrealized P&L.
Really?
Maybe it's just with these types of options where I stay in and it takes a sec to update for a little bit.
Yeah.
These contracts are
If you would have gotten in when I did, that was a 46% trade.
Fuck you, man.
If
I
you
didn't catch an invite.
got in when I got out, that would have been crazy.
Yo, you know what I had to do? I had the signal typed for BYD. I'm surprised that I was able to look how fast I typed it. I had buying calls. I ended up putting buying call, and then I didn't even space out the 710 calls with NVIDIA. I had to type that shit out. Yo, we're making Mason type out the signals from now on, if that's the case.
I have a good trade. He's like, you know what? We're just gonna make Mason do all this.
Everything.
That's funny.
All right, cool. That's a great way to start the morning, to be honest. You have Amazon dumping here. I don't know if Mason sees anything with that. NQ pulling back. BYD, I'm disappointed we couldn't catch that, but I'm not that disappointed because NVIDIA was there.
Pretty crazy play for a Monday, the more I think about it.
Yeah, hell yeah. That's why I look at it and I'm like, you know, a little glitch, but I ended up taking the highest that I saw.
Yeah, that was good.
All right, I got all of that on recording for you guys. That'll also be a YouTube video. The other YouTube video goes up this week as well. So I'll let you know when this goes up. This is probably a way better video than the last one. Fire calls today, yeah. Mexico vlog is supposed to go up today, but it all depends on the editor. Takes his time with everything, so we'll see. BYD coming back for a new. This looks nice, Mace. I don't know if I'm gonna. I don't think I'm gonna play it, but I'd rather play
Just the high.
Yeah, an H into the high, inverse H. Yeah, just broke right through. Probably go for the 154 break right off the bat. Yup, look at that one. You saw that? 40
Yeah.
break on that 154.
Oh, this is that cup and handle. On the hour, yeah, there it goes.
Yeah, this is nasty. Going for the 155. Yo, when BYD has these days, this probably will finish up like $15, $16 today. It's only up 8. Hopefully I was recording that whole thing. Yup, I was. Alright, yeah, I'll probably start recording if I look for another trade here. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you would like to see on this channel, what other live videos, you know, let me know. The vlog goes up. It's probably going to be up by the time you see this video, so go ahead and watch that. Peace. Back above 154. It looks like it's running towards the high. I'm in.
Order partially filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
This needs to push to 155. I usually would wait till 155, but we'll see how this goes. 154.60. 154.20. Probably going to use 153 as stop loss. We're coming back here. We're about to take out that high, which is good. New high. So now we're at, oh, there we go. I'll look to sell on the 155 break here. We're like 20 cents off there. NQ is so weird, but this usually doesn't follow NQ, so I'm okay with that. 150, oh, we're 10 cents off this new high. 91, 9 cents. We have a wall at 155. We have about a 300 wall there. There we go. I have my limit sell ready here on the sell. Once this break, I'm looking to sell and then calling it a day, most likely. Boom. I'm out.
Order partially filled.
Yeah, it was a good trade. It was very easy, very quick. I'll take that any day of the week easily. Looks like I have a few contracts left, so I'll probably fill the rest here. Give me one sec. I filled most though. Let's see.
Order
we go.
partially filled.
Oh, there we go. It just filled.
Order filled.
All right. Looks like I'm calling it a day early today. We're what, 22 minutes into the market. My limit fill just got filled on that.
Go to the beach.
I could. It was fucking 91 degrees yesterday. I wanted to kill myself in the house.
In Brazil?
Right now, no. I'm in Buticade. You been there before?
No.
Oh.
Is that like Budokan?
Nah, it's like a next level.
Oh.
Yeah. I was just in Benchod, India. But now I'm in Buticade. Damn, these contracts went up to $8, Mace. What?
I sold at
20?
791.
Yeah, yeah. It's funny. We sold at the same thing. But look, this thing, I think it just went up to 850, I believe. So that's like what, another $60 on the contracts.
Mm-hmm.
Dope. Oh wow, the H on that's some shit Mason should have caught right there. Yo,
On what?
I don't know if it's OBS freezing up here, but I mean freezing up my TOS, but Tesla just had like a breakdown of the support here. 588.70. It's not really nothing crazy compared to what we've already caught. That's like a dollar move on Tesla. All right, now this is the end of the video. I know I said this was the end of the video before. So I'll see you guys. Peace.